I'm 13 WMAZ meteorologist Alex Forbes. We're seeing the first of the outer rain bands of Tropical Storm Elsa, producing some heavier rain down in Houston County, also down into Dooley and Crisp County. In fact, getting some word of some power outages in Houston County. Here's a closer look at it as it begins to move towards Taylor and Macon County here over the next hour or so. And this is only the first rain band out of several scattered showers and storms that we're going to see through the afternoon today. So here's Tropical Storm Elsa now a 50-mile-an-hour tropical storm. Pressure's coming up a little bit after it made landfall earlier this morning at around 11 a.m. in Taylor County, Florida, continuing that northward trek now at 14 miles an hour. So let's take a look at the tropical future view, see what we're dealing with here in central Georgia. Notice some tropical downpours here by 5 p.m. across the southern tier of our county. So we're talking from Dooley, Crisp, Houston County over towards Lawrence County and then down towards Telfair County. And then roll the clock forward into tonight. Those will continue, but most of the heavier weather will be off to the east side of the storm. So as you get towards Waycross, Savannah, Statesboro, they'll be dealing with the higher wind gusts, even though we might see some tropical storm force wind gusts here in central Georgia through the afternoon hours. What does that mean? 30 to 40 miles an hour. To get a severe thunderstorm warning, you need 65. So we're talking about even less than that, less than what we see on a typical summer afternoon. So then by 1 a.m., most of the heavier rain off toward the Savannah River and the city of Savannah, moving into South Carolina. And then by the early morning hours, Elsa is history here in central Georgia. We do have tropical storm warnings in effect down towards the coast. None of our counties are in it, but if you head towards Waycross, Savannah, St. Simons, tropical storm warnings continue for probably the next 12 to 24 hours down there. So here's the forecast track from the National Hurricane Center. Notice the center of it rolling right over areas like Treutlen County as you head out towards Swainsboro and then into South Carolina, weakening to tropical depression status tomorrow morning, then off into the Norfolk, Virginia Beach area and into the northeast, and it is no longer our problem here in central Georgia. So here's what you need to know. The greatest impact from Elsa will be this afternoon and evening. 20 to 30 mile an hour wind gusts will be possible with higher gusts possible in the bands, more so to the south and to the east. And we're talking about trace to maybe a ½ inch of rain. But if you get under one of those locally heavy downpours, you could see up to 2 inches of rain. Of course, Chief Meteorologist Ben Jones is here. We'll be keeping an eye on it and we'll keep you updated here on 13 WMAZ.